Hello everyone, welcome to Spark Study. So we have seen different type of steady state error. So by varying the input as well as the type of the systems. So in this table we have taken the type 0, type 1, type 2 systems with respect to the error constant, with respect to the steps. I mean step input, ramp input and parabolic input. So for type 0 systems we have seen that Kp is some constant value which is nothing but K. Okay, and we also seen that with type 0 systems my Kp becomes 0 and my Ka also becomes 0. So if I apply this value in these equations, I found that Kp, I mean type 0 system station error becomes 1 by 1 plus K. So instead of Kp I just replace K, so this is my value. And when I replace Kb and Ka as 0 here, I will get infinite error. Okay. Similarly, when I go for type 1 systems, in type 1 systems I see Kv becomes constant. Okay. And in Kp I got infinite and my Ka I get 0. So in this case, if I replace the value of Kp, Kv and Ka in these steady state equations, I easily found that this becomes a 0, this becomes 1 by some constant K and this becomes infinite. Similarly, for type 2 system, I found Ka is some constant, Ka is some constant, whereas both my Kp and Kv becomes infinite. Similarly, once I replace the Kp, Kv, Ka value, I will get 0 over here, 0 over here and 1 by K over here. Here, that means from this table, it was clear that for type 0 system Kp is constant, type 1 system Kv is constant, type 2 system Ka is constant. So in this diagram, these things are constant. And the value left to the K will be infinite and right to the K is 0. For these nine boxes, if you see, here K is here. There is nothing in the left side. So we will bother about only right side. I told you right side to the K is 0 here. And here right side to the K is 0 here. But I told also left side to the K is infinite, here also infinite. There is no left term here and there is no right term here. That means it is clear that for type 1 systems, you should not get any infinite error constant. And for type 2 system, you should not get any 0 error constant. But for type 1 systems, you will get infinite constant as well as 0 constant and also some numerical value constants. And you can see that from this steady state error, we will see this is some constant value, this is some constant value, this is also some constant value. That means the corner term becomes constant and remaining is reciprocal. I told K constant right side is 0, here constant right side becomes infinite, here constant right side becomes infinite and here constant left side is infinite, but here constant left side is 0. Okay, so this is a table. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this table for your benefit. Or you can type in your, you can write in your notebook. Okay, not able to go back further. Okay, you take this table. So this is nothing but my different kind of type of systems with different input, and we can see these things. In the last video, we have studied about the steady state error. We also studied about the steady state error for different type of input and different types of systems. We have seen for type 0 systems, type 1 system and type 2 systems. Let us solve some problem so that you will get some better understanding. Okay, the problem says I have a block diagram which consists of two forward path gain, and the feedback path is the unity feedback. So here h of s becomes 1. It is a negative feedback systems. And the question asks for find the steady state error. Steady state error is ESS. ESS, and the formula is nothing but limit s tends to 0, then s r of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So this is the formula. So once we find out the requirement to replace this formula, then it is easy to solve the problem. Okay, and so we do not go further this also. Let me try to make it very user friendly. So we need to find out first r of s. What is my r of s? R of s is nothing but my input. Here, do you have any idea of input? Here input is u of t. Okay, by default u of t represent, it is a step signal. Okay, u of t is a step signal. Okay, that means we can see that, we can understand that as my input is step input, then which kind of error constant will get? I will get Kp. Okay, clear? Up to this is clear, no? That means once I found out my step, the input is step, then I can find with respect to step input, I should get my Kp, and what will my ESS? ESS is equal to 1 by 1 plus Kp. This we have studied in the last class. Clear? This much we have found out. Now, what I need to find out? I need to find out g of s into h of s. Here h of s is nothing but 1. But what about g of s? This should be multiplied because this is in cascade form. I can write 15 into 3, that is 45 divided by s plus 15 into s plus 1. This is my g of s. Clear? This was clear, no? Okay. So it is 45 by s plus 15 into s plus 1. So we have found out my g of s is nothing but 45 divided by s plus 13 into s plus 1. Let me recheck. S plus 15, not 13. S plus 15. S plus 15 into s plus 1. And also from the diagram we found that h of s is equal to 1. So ultimately g of s into h of s remain this value. Again we found that r of s, which is my input, is a step input. So we have found this Kp, and my ESS should be 1 by 1 plus Kp. And for Kp, it's equal to limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. And we can see that g of s into h of s, the denominator there is a s of power 0. That means it is clear that it is a type 0 system. Type 0 system. That means it is clear that we are allowed to apply step input to type 0 system, so that one will get Kp is equal to K. So this much we have studied. Then what should I do? So once we replace this thing, so now next step will be find out Kp. Kp is equal to we place a limit s tends to 0. G of s and x of s will be 45 divided by s plus 15 into s plus 15 into s plus 1. So once you place s to 0, here s to 0, here s to 0, what I get? Kp is equal to 45 divided by 15 into 1, that is equal to 3. So this is my Kp. Okay, and I also know that for step input type 0 system, Kp is nothing but K. So what I get? Kp or K is equal to 3. And what is my ESS? ESS is nothing but 1 by 1 plus Kp. So that I can write ESS is equal to 1 by 1 plus Kp or 1 by 1 plus K, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3, which is nothing but ESS is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25, or if you find in percentage of ESS, you can find it is 25% of error. So that means it is very clear that if I find this kind of systems and try to find out the steady state error with respect to step input, we will found that in the when time tends to infinite, my output deviate 25% with respect to the input. Okay, so this is the usual way to solve the problem.